What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday and of course it's time for phrasal verb of the week. Yeah, phrasal verbs. Love them or hate them. We can't use the English language without them. They give us so many different ways we can express ourselves. And today our phrasal verb is check out. Yes, what a useful phrasal verb that we use in our daily conversations. And today I'm going to share with you 6 different meanings, 6 different ways you can better express yourself by using this phrasal verb. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go look at meaning number 1. To examine or inspect something, often to see if it is good, useful or worth buying. So that's the first one. Let's go look at the example. You should check out that new restaurant downtown. So there you have it. So I think this is one we use quite often. Let's go check out something. Let's move on to meaning number 2. To pay for items. To complete a purchase by paying for goods at the counter. And if we use it in context, we can say, you can check out at the self-service machine. Yeah, so there you have it, number 2. Let's move on to the next one. To leave or complete your stay, especially at an hotel, by paying the bill and returning the keys. And I think, this one is quite common. We use it a lot. Let's go look at an example. We need to check out of the hotel by noon. Yeah, so I think most of you will know this one. And you have already used it a lot. Let's move on to number 4. To borrow something, especially from a library or a store. Yes, I think this one is also quite common. Let's go look at an example. I'm going to check out a book from the library for my research. Yes, I think we've all used this one before. And also everyone, if you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Let's move on to the next one. It's number 5. To verify information, to confirm whether something is true, correct, or reliable. Yes, I definitely think we've all done this before. Let's go look at a quick example. I will check out his identity to make sure he is who he says he is. Yeah, I think we've all done that before. So definitely we will know this one. And let's move on to our last one, number 6. To pay attention to someone, often in a romantic or flirtatious context. Yay! Have you been checking someone out? Let's go look at an example. Did you see how he was checking you out at the party? Yep, I think we've all done that in the past, especially when we were younger. But that wraps it up, everyone. Our phrasal verb for today, check out, with its 6 different meanings. Remember them and use them in your daily conversations. So many different ways you can express yourself by just using this one phrasal verb. As always, everyone, thank you all for watching, for liking, for subscribing, and I'll see you all again next Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye.